Indawo ezininzi zaseSoweto zisaqhubeka nokusokola ngamanzi nasemva kokugqitywa komsebenzi we-Rand Water obukhokhele ekuvalweni kwamanzi iiyure ezingama-86 kwimpelaveki ende ephelileyo. Kummandla waseMuletsane, imeko imaxongo kakhulu njengoko impompo oko zome nka isithuba esingaphezulu kweveki kwaye kungekho tanki zamanzi ezibonelelwa abahlali. Okanike usapho lakaMokwakwe olulungiselela umngcwabo luthi lutsala nzima kakhulu ngenxa yongabikho manzi kula mmandla.
Kushaye kwazwela ukuntuleka kwamanzi kwizakhamizi zaseGoli njengoba ngempela sonto iningi lezakhamuzi zaseGoli beyingenawo amanzi, kanti-ke eSoweto eMoletsane bakhala ngokuthi sephele isonto lonke amanzi engekho, kanti kuzwela kakhulu-ke emndenini wakwaMokwakwe njengoba bebhizi namalungiselelo okufihla kwelunga lomndeni.
One of the main challenges is now preparations are going well, everything is going well. The only challenge is now manje amanzi. For the past week yonke singanamanzi. We've been going le phezulu, sicasha amaveni, sicasha amatrolo abantu and busy paying people for amanzi. Sizokwazi ukuthi siwalande laphana. So it's a bit of a struggle, but then manje the main help esidingayo it's if at least in a Jojo tank, especially namhlanje. I think ila khona sodinga amanzi kakhulu because of kwamele baphila ama-veg, there has to be cooking that has to be done, cleaning of inyama nani, so it's going to be too much.
Bakhala ngokuthi bagcina sebengena ey'ndlekweni abangazidlelelile njengoba kumele bakhokhele imoto baqashe nthuthi ukuba balekelele ekukheni amanzi kwelinye lamalokishi nokudla isikhathi sabo engabe bababhizi ngezinye zezinto njengoba eqhubeka amalungiselelo omngcwabo.
So it's going to be too much ukuthi sicele umuntu sithele ipetrol, siloko sihamba simthelela ipetrol for iveni yakhe. So at least if masine Jojo tank will be able ukuthi umsebenzi uhambe ne-struggle sizoba ngconyana because manje it's taking a bit of a time because sihamba siyokha amanzi siyadingeka ejaridini, so umsebenzi uhamba slow. So at least if kuba ne-Jojo tank kuzoba ngconyana.
Ubesecela abakwaJoburg Water ukuba balekelele ngamathangi amanzi ukubalekelela kulesi simo ababhekene naso. Kanti ey'ndabeni zeSoweto TV, nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngiseSoweto.